Hi, this is Sunita Murchia. I would like to invite you to my new listing, 3512 Vision Common Place, Unit 202 in Fremont. This home is spacious, bright, and open floor plan. It gives you perfect setting with a master bedroom on one side and 2 bedroom on other, and an open floor plan just for you. This unit is almost 1,500 square feet. It is modern and has an open floor plan. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, and you have master bedroom with a master closet. It has beautiful views of Eastern Hills and a patio that is perfect for barbecue and entertainment. Outdoor patio offers you bright, spacious sunlight area. It has a direct access from street, and you can have your guests come directly to your patio from the street entrance. This is perfect for a barbecue because you have a barbecue kitchen area. So have a welcoming picnic or barbecue time on the patio. Award-winning 10 out of 10 schools belongs to this community. This community also offers swimming pool, gyms, community area, and you also have bocce ball and a lot of parking and trails. It's walking distance to Bart station, and you will also find this is an extremely friendly neighborhood. You want to come and check it out for yourself and see how sustainable this particular neighborhood is. Well, the community also offers free electrical vehicle charging in the garages, and you also get 2 side-by-side car parking spot. It's a secure garage, so your cars are safe, and you will get free charging as well. It also covers your water bill and a gas bill as well. This is a self-sustaining and a beautiful community. You want to come here to experience yourself. I look forward to seeing you. This is Sunita Murchia. You can reach out to your agent or come to the open house, or reach out to me at 408-916-6135 and come and check it out, this neighborhood for yourself. You're gonna love living here. I can promise you that. See you soon.